Hey there! If your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 headset isn't connecting via Bluetooth, or you're getting a red light with no response, this video's for you. Resetting it is super easy. Let's get straight to the point, no fluff, just the steps. Step 1. First, power on your headset by pressing the power button. Step 2. Now locate these two buttons, the mode button and the Bluetooth button. Press and hold them both together for about 10 seconds. Step 3. You'll notice the blue light turns off. That means your headset has been reset. Step 4. Now turn your headset back on using the power button and see if the issue's been fixed. Alternate method. If that didn't work, download the Turtle Beach Audio Hub software on your PC. Right next to the firmware update section, you'll find a small reset button. Just click it to fully reset your headset. Works great for audio bugs, sync problems, or firmware glitches. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point TechyoFix videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.